Home repair. Today I'm going to show you how to buy a rotary tool as a gift. Really, there's really no difference between rotary tools. They're all basically all the same. The only difference in it is the type of attachments that come with it. There's polishing attachments. There's stuff that you can do sanding with. They've got little attachments that you can do cutting with, grinding disc, little flapper wheels. There's all different types of things for sanding, polishing, cutting, shaping, molding. It just depends on what kind of hobbies or whatever purposes whoever you're buying the gift for prefers to do. You know, they have them where they just come with a basic rotary tool with just a couple of attachments, and then they have these gift sets that come out, and they've got, you know, 100 different pieces that you can attach to your rotary tool, and those are a nice thing to give as a gift because it gives you a lot of options as far as what they can do with it. As far as just the rotary tool, though, they're basically all the same. Some of them are a little bit more powerful than the other ones and will handle a little heavier workload. But just try to know a little something about who you're buying the gift for, and then just base that, what you're buying the tool for, just base your information on that, on what to give him.